Welcome back, everyone. So even though it may seem like all these stimulus programs have ran out and the money is now bone dry, we're going to be telling you why in this video that is not the case, why you can actually expect more money, potentially up to $3,600. We'll be talking about it all in today's video. So let's get started, dive right in. But before we do, as always, make sure you guys do a couple things for me. Number one, give this video a tremendous thumbs up. I would appreciate that. And if you haven't already, make sure you are subscribed to this channel. Click that big red button as well as have notifications turned on. That little bell will actually notify you when we do post a brand new video or go live right here on this channel. And we'll be doing our next cash giveaway when we do hit 20,000 subscribers. You'll have to be subscribed to be entered in that giveaway, so you might as well get it out of the way now and become a subscriber. With that being said, let's get started and dive right in. So if you are a parent and you live in the US and you have young children, well, you likely received your final and last child tax credit payment in the month of December. And you would have continued to receive these payments on a monthly basis if it wasn't for Senator Joe Manchin, who shot down and ultimately killed Joe Biden's Build Back Better bill, because that would have included a continuation of the enhanced child tax credit program. So with no deal to continue these monthly installments, December 15th's payment does appear to be the last one, at least for now, but there is still money that parents can claim this tax season. Remember the American Rescue Plan that was signed into law by President Biden earlier last year, 2021. It enhanced and expanded the child tax credit program. It increased the amount from $2,000 to $3,600, depending on the age of your child. And it also put more money in eligible parents' pockets ahead of tax time by making half of the amount payable in monthly installments from July to December. Now, under the ARP, or American Rescue Plan, it only expanded the payments for one single year. And the bill that stalled in Congress would have continued it and expanded it and extended it for another year. However, that could have ultimately led for many years to come down the road because it's such a popular program that it would be hard for Congress and lawmakers to just forget about it when it's helping their constituents. So if you did qualify for the CTC, or child tax credit, you can expect some additional relief come tax time when you file your taxes this year. Remember, the advanced monthly payments only made up half of the CTC amount, and so you can expect the other half when you go to actually file your taxes for 2021. Now, do know that changes to your income or other eligibility factors could impact how much you can expect to receive when you do file. So here's what you need to know. If you did receive the advanced monthly child tax credit payments, well, your eligibility was based on your most recent tax return, and for most people, that would be your 2020 tax return. So if any of your qualifying details changed last year, it could affect how much you're eligible for, and you'll need to account for those changes when you do file your taxes. And before tax season does start, you should receive a letter from the IRS detailing how much money you received in advanced child tax credit payments and the number of qualifying children the IRS counted to determine the amount you qualify for. You or your tax preparer, if you use one, can use this letter to determine how much of the CTC you're still owed when you file your return. And remember, the child tax credit is not some brand new benefit program that came out of the blue. It was always there. It was just temporarily expanded for 2021 under the American Rescue Plan, the stimulus bill signed by Biden. Previously, the credit allowed parents to claim up to $2,000 per eligible child under the age of 17. For 2021 taxes, parents can claim up to $3,000 for each child between 6 and 17 and $3,600 for younger children under 6, but these amounts begin to phase out once you reach certain income thresholds. This was available for single filing parents with an AGI, or adjusted gross income, up to $75,000, heads of household with an AGI of up to $112,500, or married filing jointly couples with an AGI of up to $150,000. Now, this doesn't mean that it just disappeared for people making over that threshold. It just means that the child tax credit decreased $50 for every $1,000 you had over those limits. So no matter what your income is, whether you're under the limits or over, if you did receive the CTC, if you received those monthly payments in advance in 2021, well, you'll just simply receive the other half when you go to file your taxes. Now, here is where it does get interesting. Some families either just simply did not receive the child tax credit, or perhaps they chose not to receive the advanced monthly payments. Well, if that's the case and you're eligible for the program, you can expect to receive the entire lump sum when you file your taxes, the entire $3,600 if you have children that meet the criteria. You'll be able to claim the entire amount when you file your taxes for the tax year of 2021 this year. And so for children under 6 years old, that amount will be $3,600. For children 6 to 17, that amount will be $3,000. Now definitely consult with your accountant, sit down and look at this, because remember, the child tax credit is based on your most recent return. So things could have changed. You may have to reconcile the money that you received and what you actually qualify for based on your actual situation in 2021. For instance, maybe your filing status or your income changed in 2021, or maybe your child stayed at another residence for half the year. Or of course, maybe you chose to opt out of the payments, and that could have been in the middle of the installments as they were coming through, and so you'll receive the remainder come tax time. There's a plethora of variations based on your circumstance. So many different changes could have happened in the year of 2021. So definitely, again, sit down with your CPA, go through the numbers, tell them exactly what your situation is, and you could figure out how much you can expect to receive. We'll do a bit of a survey on this channel right here on this video. Let us know down below in the comment section if you did receive the child tax credit payments. Maybe you chose not to receive them and you want to receive them all come tax time, or maybe you received half of the amount throughout the year, or at least the latter half of 2021. Let us know your circumstance. Let us know what you chose to do. Definitely let us know down below. I'm curious to hear. Also, tell us your opinion on the child tax credit program. Did it help you? Did it assist you if you did qualify for the program? Or do you believe it should only be a pandemic era program and we should not continue it? We should not extend it any longer whatsoever. Definitely let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section on that topic as well. More updates are to come. We will have more news for you folks. If you did enjoy this video, as always, give it a big thumbs up. Smash that like button. I'd appreciate that. And if you haven't already, make sure you are subscribed to this channel. Click that big red button and have notifications turned on. And if you want to get some free stocks all on me, all free, use the links down below in the description of this video. Sign up with the brokerage platforms Robinhood and or Webull. You'll get some free stocks, some valued up to thousands of dollars in some circumstances. So let me know what stocks you do get. If you want to connect with me on social media outside of YouTube, I am on Instagram at Logan Kohn, LOGANKOHN, right there on your screen. Hope you enjoyed this one. I look forward to seeing you in the next one.